This is a trains, cars, and destinations production. I hope you enjoyed the following video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for similar content. Again, hope you enjoyed the following video. Thanks for watching. We're at the Wesmont train station in Woodridge, New Jersey. Train to Suffern. Six coaches. This train station is brand new, opened in May of this year, 2016. But even though this thing is brand new and you could buy tickets on your phone, for some reason, the station does come equipped with 2 old-fashioned payphones. I am not joking. Yep, this thing still has payphones. Nope, no change. Nothing. And here's the second one over here. Express train to Port Jervis, express to Port Jervis. Five coaches. Hope you all enjoyed. The brand new Wesmont train station. Hope you enjoyed the preceding video. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe.